In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your first HubSpot workflow. Whether you're diving into HubSpot for the first time or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through creating a workflow from scratch, using a template to streamline the process. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot website. If you're not already on it, open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com in the address bar. Once the page is loaded, locate the Login button at the top right corner of the home page. This button will take you to the Sign In page where you'll select the Sign In with Google option. Doing so will prompt you to choose from your list of Google accounts. Select the account you want to use, and you'll be directed into your HubSpot environment. Next, direct your attention to the navigation menu. Hover over the word Automation and click it. Here, you'll find an option called Workflows. Go ahead and click on that. This section is your gateway to creating automated processes that enhance your productivity. Now spot the Create Workflow drop-down button on the top right corner of your screen. Click it to reveal the next step in the creation process. In the drop-down, select From Template. Templates are pre-built workflows designed to make setting up your automated tasks a breeze, providing a solid framework to build upon. Once you've entered the Templates section, focus on the left-hand panel and click on the Nurture Relationships tab. This is where you can find templates specifically designed to help maintain and grow your customer relationships. For this example, let's choose the popular template. This choice will ensure you're starting with a workflow that's tested and effective. After selecting the template, hit the Use Template button. This action begins the workflow setup process using the pre-selected configuration. Now you'll need to set up the email you want to send as part of this workflow. Customize it to suit your audience and meet your campaign's objectives. Once you're satisfied with your email draft, navigate to the top left of the screen and click Save. Saving your work frequently is a habit worth cultivating to prevent any loss of progress. With your email setup, it's time to bring it all together. Move your cursor to the top right corner and click on Review and Publish. This step is crucial as it allows you to review your workflow settings one last time before going live. If everything looks good, select Skip to turn on, and then finally turn on workflow. Congratulations, you've just set up your first HubSpot workflow. Your workflow is now active, ready to automate your tasks and help you nurture those valuable relationships with a more systematic approach. Enjoy your newfound efficiency.